Strengthening Faith 96. I had a thought which I wanted to share. In this time of widespread oppression of innocent people all around the world, it is a duty of a Muslim to object to evil according to their capacity and within the laws of Islam. Many Muslims carry out this important duty, especially on social media, by quoting verses of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which mention the threats given to oppressors. But it is important to note that these verses and traditions apply to all people, including oneself. When one observes mass oppression of people, such as mass killings, it is easy for a Muslim to belittle their own disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, and their own oppression of the rights of others by comparing it to the mass oppression carried out by others. For example, a Muslim who persistently behaves in a rude manner towards their spouse will belittle this act of oppression by observing the mass oppression of people in the news. They then concentrate on hurling verses of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which threaten oppressors to the people they observe in the news, but forget to apply these Islamic teachings to themselves and their behavior. Even though some types of oppression are worse than others, nonetheless, oppression is still oppression, and all forms of it will lead to darkness for the oppressor. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2447. This discussion does not mean one should not object to evil according to their strength and within the bounds of Islamic law, but it means they should not forget the acts of disobedience and oppression they commit by belittling them when comparing them to the mass oppression caused by others. One must continue objecting to evil, but also constantly assess their own actions in light of Islamic teachings so that they remove any aspect of oppression they commit through failing to fulfill the rights of Allah, the Exalted, or wronging people. Otherwise, they may well find that on Judgment Day, they are raised with the very oppressors they objected to during their life on earth. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 42.
And never think that Allah is unaware of what the wrongdoers do. He only delays them, i.e., their account, for a day when eyes will stare in horror.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.